Hi guys, welcome to a new Charleston vlog. I'm so excited to start off this weekend vlog. My friends are in town, they're upstairs. I just came down here to vlog because they're still finishing getting ready. Daniela, Dana, and Sylvia are in town this weekend. They got in late last night and they leave Sunday evening. So we have like all day today, all day tomorrow, and most of Sunday to explore. And this is my first full weekend being in Charleston, so I'm excited to just explore the city. We have a packed full itinerary, dinner reservations, lots to do. But today we're doing a beach day, which is much needed. I need to be in the sun ASAP. First, we're gonna walk up to get coffee downtown, and then we're gonna Uber over to Sullivan's Island. There's quite a few different beaches that you can choose from in Charleston. There's Folly Beach, which is probably the most popular, and then Sullivan's Island, Isle of Palms. But you have to go to like one of the islands to get to the actual beach. So I decided we're gonna go to Sullivan's Island and check that out, and then we'll come back here in the afternoon, shower, get ready for the night. First full weekend in Charleston. Let's get going.
Maddie, I'm scared.
No, Maddie.
Maddie, I don't know.
No. What? It's not against
the purse.
You guys
fall. Actually, you're making me nervous.
No,
Leave it.
windy.
Oh my god.
Guys, you guys are making me scared. Like, it's fine.
There we go.
Okay, guys, are we ready? Sorry, I'm trying to get the view. Like,
Cheers.
my hair isn't orange.
I love you all. I love you all. We can only like socialize with games.
No, we don't know how to be normal.
Chicks! Ah! What a time to be alive.
Danielle, did you take a picture of this? Yeah, I'll add it to the shirt outbound.
Hello vlog. Everyone say hi. 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 Today is Saturday. We've been vlogging, but we haven't talked to you guys. But it's Saturday night. We went out this afternoon to Shem Creek in Mount Pleasant and went to Saltwater Cowboy, which is a bar on like the water, and it was so fun. Vibes were so good. And we came back, we got like a 45-minute nap of REM sleep. And then now we're going out again. So we're getting drinks at Little Palm, which is part of the Ryder Hotel. It's like their poolside bar. And then we're going to dinner at Franny and the Fox. And this is my outfit. ZYXWVUT. That's right. Stuck.
I can't even.
RPQONM.
Oh, so like
Give up
anyone? Oh,
So you get to drink.
Sylvia, take a long penalty, so a long sip. The person to your left follows you, and so on.
That's
a
Maddie.
waterfall.